another thing. All the Yoruba people, this message is for you. You see the way I'm just talking, it's just flowing. I'm joking. It looks like play. The Yoruba people who are taking this Lagos very serious. You see them doing like this. Lagos, now we get time. Now we get this Lagos. Who goes you? Anomano. Not all of them. The ones who are doing like, now we get Lagos. Lagos belongs to us. You have no Lagos. Before you came to that Lagos, they born you in that Lagos. There are millions of people who died in Lagos, who were born. Lagos is about to get dry. The population of Lagos will reduce. They say, where the people then go now? They don't tell, they don't come out. He said, these people, they are shouting, Alaba, 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 Alaba. Ojuebe, I will never, me stay for Lagos, the Chris Nayala, me stay. I better go to stay in Jos than stay in Lagos. Are you understand what I'm saying? I better stay in Jos than stay in Lagos. So all of you shouting, Lagos is our own. Lagos belongs to us. Lagos is this. Lagos is that. Lagos is this. Lagos is that. One day, Lagos will reduce drastically. Lagos will just come down. Where are the people now? You people say you are the owner of Lagos, so take it. Everybody have left you. On our mind, no go touch ground. Where people? Everybody have, we don't go. No chilo. All the boss, Otuma Beja, Wimpy. Where are those streets there where they funny for Lagos? You can't see good English name in Lagos areas. Odu Mota. All of them are all Yoruba's name. Bagadi. Ikoyi. Ikorodu. Yoruba. All the Lagos, all the address, Yoruba. Oh, Yoruba. I didn't say Lagos will run dry per se. The people will go. So that Yoruba people will chop their Lagos. So if you like, get angry. Say Lagos will never run dry. As you people are there causing havoc. The Aburu in the streets, creating on it is judgmental. Am I from Yoruba? I'm not from. Am I from Igbo? I'm not. So what is your own business? I'm not telling you the message. I'm only telling you the message. A time is close. People will be leaving Lagos. 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 Are you understand what I'm saying? People will be leaving Lagos. They say Lagos is the place of milk and honey. Lie. People are running. That's how they kept living. So all these Igbo billionaires, all these Igbos, the billionaires, the ones that are more ignorant, those Igbos, billionaires, who are feeling like that Enugu cannot be better, who are feeling like Anambra is not developed, who are feeling like Imo State is gone, who are feeling like Abia State is a dump city, I pity all of you. Before you will move down your things, it don't go. Whatever any businessman is doing now, tell them that God said they should go back to their states, open branches, start thinking of headquarters, and let Lagos be the office. But let the headquarters goes back home and let Lagos be the office. I'm not from Yoruba. I'm not from Igbo. So there's nothing so enticing. So if you're that, never too much. Nigeria is not my country. I'm from Africa. I speak for everybody. So if you say, hey, lie. I love Yorubas. Mostly you see those Yoruba ladies that cook. Yeah. I'm not from Igbo. I love to speak Igbo. I'm not from Yoruba. I love to speak Yoruba. What are you telling me? Tell them, tell Cubana, tell chief priest, every little party, Cubana, chief priest, all of them, all the Igbo people, we go there, spray money. In a developed state that is still developing rapidly, forgetting back home. Omotosho. Nothing you people will tell me. You don't need to understand me. Because today, God will tell me this one. Tomorrow, He will tell me this one. Don't understand me. If you understand me, there's a problem. I'm only giving you the message. He said, tell them. I said, what will make the president lose his step or miss his step? Everybody say, it's not manner. Everybody live his hatred in this our country, Nigeria. Is this Yoruba language? I don't know. I use it to abuse you people. I use Yoruba, I use Igbo, use all the languages. I'm not from Nigeria. I'm from heaven. I'm from Africa. But I was born in Nigeria. I will not be a man who supports people that are doing evil. Put me gun here, I'll tell you the truth. Let peace reign. You think they are giving me money? I don't need their money. I don't need their money. I tell you the truth. Blood will be on my head if I don't tell people. Ndigbo is the president. All the Yorubas are like this. That's not right. That is not. It's very wrong. So Cubana chief priest, all the Igbos, they pack. They are spraying money in Lagos, forgetting Anambra, forgetting Enugu, forgetting Abia, forgetting Imo, forgetting home. I'll come, I'll talk that side. Are you understand what I'm saying? Igbos have their own, I'm coming though. So don't worry, Yoruba people, as you're angry that Igbo people soon get angry. Don't worry, we're all the same. One human being, different character. Every tribe have issues. Can I tell you a shocking thing? Don't be disappointed in me. I'm just a messenger. Don't be disappointed in me. God said they should go back home and develop their home. All the Igbos, go back home. Develop your home. Lagos will not be the only state that will clear goods anymore. Write it down. Lagos will not be the only state to clear the goods in Nigeria anymore. Lagos will not be the only state that will be clearing goods into Nigeria. Nigeria is too big for only Lagos. So the Lord showed me a spread. And it will shock you from the southeast that there will be a depot, what they call it, is it a port? They call it port to clear goods. How they call it? Is it port? Seaport. Lagos cannot be the only seaport. So all of you that pack all your load, say Lagos, Abialam. You will look for a way to pack your load to another state. You know why? God is not a blesser of man only. He doesn't bring confusion to the nation. One of the country in the southeast is about to be signed to clear and forward. A seaport will be approved in the east and the southeast. So don't get angry. He said not for you to know Yoruba is not grooming. Yoruba, most Yorubas have pride. So when they see Igbo people, they get angry. And some Igbos, if they see Yoruba, they get angry. So either this government, whatever it is, the Lord is shifting seaport from Lagos. If you don't want to clear it in Lagos, okay, can I say something? Who is in charge of the seaport director? Is it not a Yoruba man? A Yoruba man is from the top when it comes to seaport. If it's not Yoruba, it's a Muslim. Have you seen Igbo man there? Have you seen Igbo man? You've not seen Igbo man now. You're a Yoruba man, Hausa man, Yoruba man. So God is changing all those things, all those tribal issues, all those issues, changing them. So he's removing the seaport from Lagos. He's removing the seaport so that Yoruba man can be in charge of their seaport. You go to Anambra State, sharing with Asaba. An Igbo man and Asaba man, they are in charge of the seaport. If they now have another one in the northern part, they will share what? The seaport. So every tribal state will be in charge of their seaport. It is more better. So I'm just a messenger. I'm not here to fight anybody. You understand? That's what God said we should talk. And that's what I'm talking. You cannot remove anything. It's fact. Am I from Yoruba? No. Am I from Igbo? No. Do I love Yoruba? Yes. So. Do I love Igbo? Owe. I love from Ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo kwezenu. Ndi Yoruba. I love you. So there's nothing like if I talk Igbo, people give me lie. They're not giving me shiki. The Lord is separating these things from tribal challenges and all that. So God is separating them. Anambra, Asaba, Lagos and Abuja, one seaport, northern parts, middle bed. They just do their thing. So that is just it. I'm just here to tell you what God. I don't care about what anybody feels. Nobody pay me shiki. If anybody have paid me to say what I'm saying, may God take away this oil from my head. I'm too big for those nonsense. So there must be peace in my country. Every man called by God is not tribalistic. He must be natural. There's nothing like I like these people more than these people. Lie. I love everybody. And nobody's hearing me. If it's not that, it will be contradicted. One man is supposed to marry a Hausa girl, marry one Yoruba, now marry Igbo. 3. One man. Just to balance tribal marriage. 70 years old man. Is that supposed to be? But God say, just calm down. You understand what we are saying?